It was bright and round. A terrible shadow fell onto the ground.
Who is this creature? So big, bad and strong. His tail and his whiskers are terribly long. His ears are enormous. And over his shoulder, he carries a nut as big as a boulder.
The big bad mouse!
Yelled the Gruffalo's child.
Ah!